Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable a special sound in Windows 11 or 10 using Control Panel. A special sound is an advanced audio feature that creates an immersive 3D sound experience without requiring a special hardware. It makes audio feel as it's coming from all directions, left, right, above and behind, much like how sound behaves in the real world. Windows 11 and 10 includes built-in special audio features that can enhance how sound is delivered on your PC. This feature works best with headphones and supported apps where sound direction and depth are most important. To enable a special sound, first click on this one, a start button, then type control and click on the control panel entry. Ensure view Y is set to this one, large icons or small icons. After that, click on this one, sound option. Under sound window, select your playback device and then right click on it and choose here properties option. Now move to this one, a special sound tab. Click on this one, drop down menu and select off to disable this one feature, and select Windows Sonic for headphones to enable a special audio on your Windows PC. After that, click on this one, apply and OK button. Click OK. Now, depending on the selection, a special sound is enabled or disabled on your Windows PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.